Smart displays are central to your connected home. But if you're choosing between an Amazon Echo Show and a Google Nest Hub, which one should you pick? Let's break it down. So the Echo Show shines with Alexa integration, fast skills, and deep compatibility with smart home devices. It's great for video calls, Alexa calling and drop-in shows, camera feeds, and routines. Echo Show is visual plus audio rich with options like motorized swivel, Show 10, and brighter screens. Some of its pros, strong Alexa voice control and routines. Works with tons of smart devices like Ring, Philips Hue, Ecobee, and more. It has great video features and skills ecosystem. However, Alexa can be less accurate than Google Assistant for general questions, and some features require Amazon subscriptions. Google Nest Hub focuses on Google Assistant's smart, super accurate answers, contextual search, and seamless integration with Google services like Calendar, Photos, and YouTube. The Nest Hub is excellent for visual recipes, home view, privacy controls, and display picture-in-picture, and the Nest Hub's ambient display and sleep tracking features are industry popular. Some of its pros: best Google Assistant responses and search accuracy, native integration with Google Photos, Maps, and Calendar, and clean, intuitive UI and strong contextual suggestions. However, it has a slightly smaller speaker power versus larger Echo Shows, and less compatibility with some third-party skills and features. The final verdict: choose Amazon Echo Show if you want powerful Alexa routines, broader hardware support, and video calling. Ideally, if your ecosystem leans into Amazon or you use Ring devices. Choose Google Nest Hub if you want better voice search, deeper Google service hooks, and cleaner daily assistance. Perfect if you're heavy into Gmail, Calendar, Photos, and Maps. The bottom line: Echo Show for Alexa and smart home control powerhouse, and Nest Hub for Google Assistant and everyday info champion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.